This 5-minute solution will show you how to reset YouTube recommendations. Follow these easy steps to reset your YouTube homepage recommendations. Open YouTube and click on your profile photo and click on your data in YouTube. Once you are here, scroll down a little bit and you will get here YouTube watch history. So to reset our YouTube recommendation, we have to clear our watch histories and we will disable YouTube watch history. So click on and here click on turn off. Pause. And now click on manage history. In this page, scroll down and here you will get delete. Click on it and click on delete all time. Delete. And after quickly doing this, go to YouTube again and you will see different types of videos showing on your YouTube homepage. So that's how we can reset YouTube recommendations. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.